We're doing my monthly visit to the cat room. Again, I don't come in here often because I'm allergic, like badly allergic. But I will wash really good when I'm done here. Hey, you. Long tall Sally. Oh, look at you guys. Yeah. You guys. Yeah. We got over here. We got one. Hey, Sardine, you're still here, huh? Why are you over in this cage? Usually those cages are something's going on. Hey, Violet. Yeah, I see you down there, Victor. Oh, sorry. Don't get upset. Sorry. Didn't mean to invade your space. Yeah, I see you. Hi. Oh. So, you and Brady must be siblings. Brady. Okay, and Simone. Yep, all the same address. Except these are all surrendered by the same owner. Canned food. Hey, Rhett. You're a biggie. You're a big puffy cat. Dozer. Oh, Dozer. Oh, you're a return. I was going to say. We had a Dozer in here before. Hey, Dozer. Oh, jeez. And another sibling. 4. Hey, Joey. Aw. Prancer. Here's the other one. A kitten. Quinn. Hey, Quinn. Quinn's got a chipped head. Jim's got a clipped ear. That's very interesting. This looks like my cat. My feral cat, but way too friendly. My feral would never. Tiffany, my feral would never let you near her. Oh, and it's Quinn, a boy. Hi. I'll be asking about that. Hi, Artemis. Hey, baby. All these owner surrenders. I don't know how many of these are actually owner surrenders or people who found them in there. That's the only way they can get them taken in. Hey, buddy. Flame. Please share these because I'm not sure all these are owner surrendered. That say they're owner surrender. Hi, go. Thanks. What are you doing? Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Anyway, please share. Appreciate it.